yeah guys, welcome to another video. Sorry guys for the delay, but all of the we will been fighting a bit because of our rooms. Guys, I'm sorry because I recorded too long. As you can see, here's my room. It took me some while. There's the living room.
Close the door. Take it out my room. And you're playing with the baby.
I think I'm gonna.
Okay, that's just means it's our hiding place for mob. When there's mob in our house, let's just
Yeah, I think so. Nice idea.
damn smart. Damn it.
You're not bread, or you are bread.
Yeah, okay. Wait, it's not cold. It's cold. No. Oh no.
Just like
It's not cold.
2, 3 more.
Oh, Ashburn.
I will extend my room.
Hey, where's my crafting table?
Here, I got it for some reason.
Why did you do that?
There.
What did you do this?
Now keep out while I build my room. Oh my gosh. I think I found a cave. Oh, it's just a door leading to nowhere? What?
Actually, I made that door. Oh, the zombie attacking. Oh, I have a torch. Yes.
If you had a torch, that's my torch.
Yeah. Oh no, I'm attacked. Oh, shit. My room for safety. Oh no.
This is your room?
No. No, let's go. Hey, put it back. It's for the safety shelter.
Guys, there's a zombie. Wait, I have a sword. I have a sword. Oh my gosh.
Thank you. Wow. You coward.
You almost killed me, dude.
I don't want that. I don't want. Just then you get the rotten flesh.
No.
Where the heck I didn't understand?
There's a zombie now.
No, it only gives you hunger.
Husk? That's a husk.
Really?
Yeah.
You know that's only for desert.
Why did you let a zombie in?
It was just in small.
I know, but why did you left the zombie
Because he did not close the door.
in? Close the door next time. And you guys are gonna laugh. You guys are crazy. Crazy pants. You guys are Mr. Mrs. and Mr. Crazy Pants.
Yay! I'm extra cold. I'll stay in this one forever.
That's my coal.
No, it's cold, not cold.
Hole.
Yeah.
And the game. Oh, there's
Don't
coal.
get wet too. I covered it.
Oh, I have a big room.
Hey, let's hunt pigs.
Is it already morning?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Piggies.
Piggies.
What?
I'm kill this.
Piggies.
I'm
O yung knockback? Yay!
Hey, I'm kill him.
I found him first. Pumpkin! Yay!
Oh yeah. That is my wood, huh? Oh.
I can see
Hey,
him.
no. Yeah. That's my wood, in the outside.
Rocko. Look at this. Look at this. Look at my vision.
Hey, the pumpkin. And decoration of our homes. Look at my room, guys, but only for a second.
Oh! Hey, let's get pumpkin so we can make pumpkin pie.
Oh yeah. Gay idea, bro.
That's why they call me Yebe. I mean, Yahoo. Where's the entrance? Alright, got the...
Hey guys.
Hey, that is not entrance here. That is entrance. There's a Iya.
Oh my gosh, there's a pig. I'm gonna go kill it.
Pig, pig, pig. Oh.
Pig, 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 pig.
Because if you
Yeah.
don't see me, I'm just gonna be finding sugar cane.
Find food.
Yeah, I'm finding sugar cane.
I'm gonna come with you. I found chicken.
Oh. I'm just gonna find sugar cane.
Okay, I have a chicken.
Baka na disconnected.
Teleho!
Ayun na,
Woo!
this is disconnected.
Oh my gosh, quit, dude.
I'm not.
Quit. He'll be back. Don't worry.
Oh, let's make flint and steel.
Oh!
Let's make flint and steel.
Ba't magkinanan? Hindi mo makapindot.
Ang rasa na nagkalit sa gravel.
Sorry guys.
No, you know you need medicine.
Uy, yung stops ko, baka mawala. Kaya wag niyo akong idaya yung stops ko.
Wala ko nandito. You don't even heal.
Yun ang
Hindi ako makatouch sa Minecraft.
Broken ang game. Guys, unfortunately, my neighbor's screen broke. Then my screen broke.
Restart.
gravel.
Well, I guess I think this will be the end of the video. Goodbye.